How to use Chroma key in PowerDirector. Now, in order to use Chroma key in PowerDirector, you just simply need to open a new project or open an existing project that you have created. And after opening the project, just simply import your clips, and into your clips, in order to use Chroma key, just simply select either the image or video where you want to use the Chroma key. I'm selecting this image to show you, and then just simply scroll down to this bottom menu, and after that tap to this background option. Now you'll directly see this option of Chroma key. Tap into Chroma key. Now you just simply need to pick the color which you would like to remove from the image. What Chroma key does is it will remove a color which follows similar pattern around the whole image. Just simply select a specific color which you would like to remove. I would like to remove this green, that's why I'm selecting green from this color picker. Just simply select it, and as you can see, Chroma key have been used and the color is gone. This way you can very easily use Chroma key